Abdurrahman.
How is Aslam Javed Sahib, you know? How is he?
He's a bit better, but the day before he had lots more pain in the night again.
When? Tonight?
No, the night before.
The night before that I know. After that I prescribed something homeopathic for him, and I know from experience that it's excellent and very quick in action. So after that I never heard from him. Perhaps it augurs well, because if he had been ill, he would have certainly informed me immediately. So the night before he didn't complain, did he? Not to your knowledge.
But the night before.
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
Moving from that his father is not feeling well. The last night he wasn't feeling well, so he might take him to hospital today now. But he had loads of pain last night.
Acha.
So that's why he didn't come.
But he didn't inform me. You see, he has some kidney problems. As far as the stone is concerned, the medicine which I prescribed, to my knowledge, it always works, and immediately. But for permanent treatment, you have to give some liquid to be taken in drops, which will dissolve the stone over many months. So the real treatment is that permanent treatment which will take time. As far as the immediate crisis is concerned, that medicine works. But he might have got his stone, obstructing the passage of urinary bladder, urinary canal. And if that happens, then the pain persists until either it is dropped to urinary bladder from kidney or removed by operation. So I wonder what they do decide in this case. Right.
The reason why they didn't.
Inshallah, I understand. Inshallah, he'll be all right. It's not a dangerous thing, I hope. Huh? Please. Okay.